Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily share screen on Google AI Studio. So of course, head over to aistudio.google.com and make sure that you're logged in to your Google account. Then once you're logged in the left panel, just click on Stream. And from here, you can easily access and see share screen. Just click on it. So from here, you have an option to share a window or a Chrome tab or your entire screen. Just select the specific screen that you want to share, then click on share. Make sure that you allow permissions to use your microphones. To stop sharing your screen, just click on stop sharing. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye.